everyone, it's me Faith and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making some Christmas truffles. Now, they're amazing for yourself and also to give as a present around Christmas. It's very nice, you can put them in a little box, tie a ribbon, very easy Christmas present. Now, ingredients you'll need to make the truffles. We're going to be making two. And today we're going to be making an orange one and a sultana and pecan one. Now the ingredients you need are chopped chocolate. Here I have half and half of milk chocolate and dark chocolate, some orange zest or clementine, sultanas, we have pecans, and this is a syrup of clove, orange and a bunch of Christmas ingredients. And we also have some double cream. Now we'll put this on medium to high heat and we'll wait for this to bubble. In the meantime, we can chop the sultanas and the nuts. Now chop these very finely. Make sure you have a sharp knife and be careful. Now that the cream has boiled, we'll pop this in the chocolate. Just let it melt and then we'll mix it. Meanwhile, we'll chop the pecans, also very finely. So now we'll just mix it, be very careful. I recommend use a bigger bowl. Take your time, it might seem like it's never gonna come together, but don't worry, it will. So now I've totally mixed this and it's nice and combined. I've separated them into two bowls. Half of them we're gonna make the pecan ones with the sultanas and the other half the orange. Now we're gonna use just 2 tablespoons of the nuts. The rest we're gonna use to roll them in. And give this a mix. Now we'll have the orange. And a little bit of this syrup. If you don't have this, don't worry, don't use it. If you don't have this, use a little bit of the, you could use an orange extract. And we'll give this a mix. Okay, now all we're going to do is place these in the fridge or freezer so they're fully set, maybe a couple of minutes until they need about an hour. So you have an hour to do whatever you'd like. Just make sure they're completely set so we'll be able to roll them. So this has come out of the freezer. It took about an hour, maybe a bit more. Now, I have some cocoa powder here for the fruit and nut ones. And some chopped we'll grab a spoonful. Get ready to get messy. Roll them. Okay, now that the pecan ones are ready, we'll do the orange ones. They're gonna look something like this. So take a spoonful. Place it in the cocoa. and keep on repeating until you have no more left. After you've rolled them out, place them in the fridge for another 20 minutes so they'll set up, and they're ready. Okay, there we are. The Christmas truffles are ready. They look really good. They smell even better because who doesn't like the smell of chocolate? Now, let's taste them. Brilliant. Wow. Really good. Yeah. Cute hair. What? Yeah. What? Can I film here? Anyway, they're really, really good. Super chocolatey. And I hope you make them. Merry Christmas, and see you again next week. Bye bye.